Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Zammad on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video, you'll have it full up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Once your system is updated, install the required tools using the following command. To import the Docker gnupg key, run these commands. This will create a directory for the key, download the gnupg key itself, and set the correct read permission. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, we'll add the repository and install Docker using these commands. After that, we need to optimize the virtual memory settings. This is a temporary adjustment before the first reboot, but it's absolutely necessary to keep Elasticsearch from crashing on startup. Now, using the following commands, we'll download the Zammad project files and set up its configuration. And for the final touch, we'll launch the application. Once set up, you can open your web browser and use your server IP address to access Zammad. Next, create your admin account and you can start work with Zammad. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.